be this?
Are you mad? Are you mad?
Jesus.
I said touch my yash.
Jesus.
Are you stupid? You should be like BBL.
Sorry, ma.
Are you selfish?
Sorry, ma.
Why you touch waiting my mama give me? Are you stupid? Are you shameless?
God have mercy upon us.
If you try to let her, you collect it.
One piece.
I want problems always.
What be this?
Bombastic side eye.
Ma. Yes, in case you don't know, we are still on Gold Digger prank one with my latest Mercedes Benz. You know what? See, I beg. For this prank, no insult me. Oh. I want to do something that nobody has done before. I don't want to talk much about this prank, I'm acting as a blind man. Let us test this lady and see the outcome of it. Don't go nowhere. Agaba is spoken. Yara! Yara! Keita Benz. Agaba is spoken.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
This evening you will die.
Chidadi. This man.
Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you stupid? You should be like BBL.
Sorry, ma. Sorry.
Are you selfish?
Sorry, ma.
Why you touch waiting my mama give me? Are you stupid? Are you shameless? Look at this goat.
Sorry.
If you try to let her, you collect.
Sorry, ma. Ma.
If not because of
I thought this place is the road. Sorry. I cannot see. I cannot see.
Try it again. Unless you decide one from the singer man.
Jesus. Hey, my sorry, I don't know. I missed my way. Hey, Jesus. My sorry, I cannot see where.
It is short, it is the blind self. Hey, look at it. It is short.
Hey, my sticky. I cannot see. I missed my way. I'm sorry, ma.
You okay?
Mama, you wound me, my leg.
Try next time.
My stick. Mama, I'm sorry. Where's my stick now? I don't know my way, please. I just said, person won't give me bread. I said that bread, the one I press, I don't know what I'm show. Hi, God, do. My stick, Mama, help me, please. I don't know where I am. Please, I don't know. Jesus, I don't know. My stick, oh, I don't know. Oh, God, I don't know. My stick. Jesus, my stick. Jesus, my stick. Hey. Okay. Thank God. I have my stick now. Thank God, though. I have my stick. Thank God. Hey, God. I have my stick now. Thank God. Hello, ma.
Bombastic side eye.
Ma.
Criminal offensive
she has gone.
side eye.
Ma.
You understand?
I don't know where I am now.
You guys need to explain time.
Hello, ma. Oh, thank God, she has gone. Hey, madam. Come, madam.
Hey,
Come. Brother. Oh, okay, help me, please, help me.
Sorry, you know the zero.
I know the zero though.
Sorry.
I don't know where I am. Where is this place called?
Just inside that place. Madam, why you go push up like that?
I no go push am.
Okay, she's back.
I no go push am.
back.
Come dey press my yash.
Hey, brother, see
Where you dey go?
brother, I dey go for Omonachi Street.
Omonachi. That place far now. That place far.
If I
No only you follow from Omonachi come here.
no, you get one small picky where just they help me. So if they help me,
Yeah,
so if follow me they come.
Yeah.
So he can't they hungry, can't leave me they go. So because I know they see well.
Oh, yeah, no
So
No worry. I go carry you go there.
Madam, you get one man. You get this madam will beat me well for here because I know the sea road.
And she there.
He beat. Okay, she don't come back.
Sorry.
Hobby.
Sorry.
Hobby.
Sorry.
Come push it down.
Accusations.
Yeah, guys,
How game here? Now me the vlog now, not be.
the vlog. So where she did? Come
I don't want she, if I.
Come me.
No worry.
Where she did?
She know there.
Where she dey?
She don't come out. She don't come out.
You know some people that give me money if I dey come.
Sorry.
So at the same person give me bread. So make I collect bread. I don't know so that's I press.
Oh.
She come beat me, oh. Beat me. Look at my leg.
So my nyash don't become bread.
Sorry.
Okay, Boogie.
Madam, I beg, I won't carry and go in street. I beg, get one money where you pick for her. Now that your money, give me.
I don't have any money.
Maybe you carry money, come.
I carry money, oh.
You know, see,
Brother, look right, see whether you go see money for my.
the money, I see.
I hide them.
I see when you carry them, no worry.
Okay, no there, yeah.
Me,
Madam,
money.
you don't carry any money.
See, persuade send no home money.
Hey!
No home money.
Wait, before. Madam,
Never go.
wait, I go do am. Madam, you get money where you pick here. Where the money dey?
I no home money, I no pick any money.
You no pick any money. Madam, I will ask you for the last time, I beg. You get money where you pick for here. Where the money dey?
I no pick any money, I no send money.
Oh, Jacob.
You no see any money.
Only bomb.
Camera come out, I beg.
Only bomb.
Camera come out. This woman na criminal.
Hola, no Jacob.
How do you go?
What they go?
You never even gree. Madam, you have money, I be no home money.
I no home money.
You have money? I be no have money.
I no home money.
Now they don't get the. Upon say you dey see camera here. This camera have been videoing you since. I thought I've been here. In fact, all of us we are together. So it's just a prank. It's not even that he's not blind. Can you see him?
So you're serious?
I'm a blind man. I dey blind. Come on, the money, I beg. Nah, which kind activity? Come on, the money.
Don't play with the play with you, man. Don't carry our money. You know whether we don't chop since today.
I beg, Muna no verse.
We tell you, no.
Muna no verse. I beg. No besides still I beg.
We never thought say you steal am.
You work for him.
No, not be say you steal am. Na salary where they pay you.
They pay am salary.
They paid you salary.
I beg.
Sure say you no comot any money here.
No, I no come.
Make I see your bag.
My bag, see as my bag then.
Nothing there inside the bag.
Make I see your bag.
Nothing there inside my
Make I
bag.
see.
Man, I saw the money they can't.
Open am and see now.
So nothing dey inside your bag.
Yes, nothing.
You dey waka like you get this kind of mind.
Yes.
You no get 1 naira for your bag. You get this wicked mind. A blind man.
I don't know if I get wicked because of say the things why I carry for her too plenty. So I beg no verse.
As I mistakenly touch your nyash, I collect them. I use knife cut them. Now you want kill me here? Eh?
You go when you transfer the aggression.
Oh boy, you want to hook?
No, you don't say as a blind man.
As a blind man, you won't
we just make a day rail until we get what we want. And we don't get them.
What's it for
I beg no verse.
No verse.
I beg. I take God.
So what I go do all the beating now? Where you don't the beating?
Oh boy.
What I go do then?
Oh, sorry.
Me sorry.
Sorry. I beg no verse. I beg no verse. I beg. This is why I collect this money because of my school fees. And many things why I need to pay. I beg no verse. No verse. No condition. I beg.
Condition.
Why?
Wetin make people wey dey wicked dey too poor. They too wretched.
I test you.
Eh? You no get money. You no get money. You no get shish. You no go even dey friendly. You no go fit dey social.
I test you.
You no even get polite manner. Eh? You could just dey choose to have that aggressiveness in you. Eh? It does not pay.
Person tell you saying blind. Tell you saying they find way. No fit even say, oh yeah, make you carry am go where in the stay.
See as him push am o.
They push.
This blind man say when you dey beat like say you dey fight with your roommate. Wetin remain for am? Person wey dey blind, wetin remain for am?
Abeg, no vex.
Small money wey you carry, when you carry am.
Nah, let me find
I dey ask you. You say you no give you any money, you no see any money. If not be this camera now, you go dey do this.
You gotta do am loud, I tell you.
Eh? You go do am.
This girl gets mind.
Abeg.
It's your boy, this company, aka Agaba is spoken. One, I forgot the prank. Small pressing. Small phone. What I say make I press? She don't change and give me.
They go, but up.
Eh? Come. I don't even know whether she dey truly feel remorse or be she dey pretend. I don't know the one why they see for your face.
I need to pretend
Eh?
that the worst.
You don't get story.
Abeg.
You don't get story. So what you want make I do now? Eh?
Yes, help me.
Help you with what?
Yes, help me.
How?
Help me with the money.
With the money.
Yes.
If you want make I give her this money, make una comment. You see this money? I hope you watch this prank. If you want make I give her this money, make sure say you comment. If you know want make I give her this money, still comment. I got this money. See, next time if you see strangers, disabled people, if you see them, treat them well. You don't know who is who.
Okay, sir.
Eh?
Alright, sir.
Don't know who is who. How they go?
If no be say I dey in a happy mood, I can't.
Money.
If no be say I dey for a good mood now, the kind slap wey I go give you.
No verse. If I see you like this, I say go just say don't carry woman. Eh?
You no even get any destination. No be like this thing dey go.
Leave am. If you even dey confused, I mind for that money wey you pick.
I put it for your boyfriend though. You go even steal you go steal your boss house. Nah boy, could you imagine no? People like say this time around na thief all these girls why can't they thief me?
Okay, you mean this
Juliet, I never recover from
Okay.
2.5 million she made away from my house.
that girl own
Only guy behind quarter now. Still want collect my money there.
nke onye a dị iche nke Juliet wụ onye anyị na-abi n'ụlọ.
No, see that Juliet. If I don't catch that girl, make I die. If I don't catch Juliet,
onye nke a onye
The spoken is Agaba.